Hello friends, welcome in my YouTube channel. This video is an abbreviation special for LDC or GDC exam. Actually, railway having one common trend to ask abbreviation or full form, and most of the examination we are able to see that one or two questions definitely from abbreviation or full form. So I am giving here 30 plus full forms of some different abbreviation, some different and the department questions from different departments. So let's start. What is the full form of AFRES? AFRES means Advanced Finance Railway Earnings and Expenditure System. Advanced Finance Railway Earnings and Expenditure System. Full form of ACD. ACD means Anti-Collision Device. ACD means Anti-Collision Device. What is the full form of ATAS? Alternate Train Accommodation System. ATAS means Alternate Train Accommodation System. What is the full form of BFR? BFR means Bogie Flat for Rails. Bogie Flat for Rails. BFR. CORE. Nowadays very famous. CORE means Central Organization for Railway Electrification. Actually, railway targeting to electrify all their busy routes till 2023 and core giving their duties. CONCOR means Container Corporation of India Limited. CONCOR means Container Corporation of India Limited. BPAC, full form of BPAC is Block Proving by Axle Counter. Block Proving by Axle Counter. Friends, I am writing some quizzes daily, 5 or 6 quizzes on my YouTube. So just go through that. ICMS full form, Integrated Coaching Management System. Integrated Coaching Management System. ICMS. ISD. ISD. What is ISD in Indian Railway? That is Indian Stores Department. Indian Stores Department. ISD. LWR. LWR means Long Welded Rails. CWR, Continuous Welded Rails. MMTS. MMTS means Multimodal Transport System. More than one mode of transportation available, that is why known as Multimodal Transport System. OBHS. OBHS means On-Board Housekeeping Services. On-Board Housekeeping Services. NTXR. NTXR means Neutral Train Examiner. TXR means Train Examiner and NTER means Neutral Train Examiner. OFC. OFC means Optical Fiber Cable. Optical Fiber Cable. OFC. What is the full form of OHE? OHE means Overhead Equipment. Overhead Equipment. OHE. PFT. What is the full form of PFT? Private Freight Terminal. Private Freight Terminal. One of our viewer requested to give less dark background. So I tried, kindly comment that it is good or not. RCRB. Rail cum Road Vehicle. RCC. Railway Convention Committee. RCC means Railway Convention Committee. RCIL. Important. Railtel Corporation of India Limited. Railtel, R for Railtel Corporation of India Limited. We can see in logo Railtel Corporation of India Limited. In bottom you can see RDSO. Research and Development Design by Railway, Research, Design and Standard Organization. This is a railway organization. RFQ. Request for Quotation. RFQ means Request for Quotation. Likewise RFP. RFP means Request for Proposal. RFQ means Request for Quotation and RFP means Request for Proposal. RFTP. RFTP means Request for Technical Proposal. Request for Technical Proposal. RMS. RMS in railway means rake management system. Rake management system, RMS. What is the full form of RRTS? Regional Rapid Transport System. It is used for Delhi Suburban. RRTS. Regional Rapid Transportation System. SPV. A Special Purpose Vehicle. SPV means a Special Purpose Vehicle. Hope background is not that much bright. TAWD. Train Actuated Warning Device. Train Actuated Warning Device. If my effort is good, kindly subscribe my channel, share with your friends and hit on like button also. Transloc. Trans means Transport Logistic Corporation of India. TTM. Tie Tamping Machine. Tie Tamping Machine. TTM means Tie Tamping Machine. TWFA. TWFA means Transfer Without Financial Adjustment. Transfer without financial adjustment. Thanks for watching my video. Again and again